All right, we're day 3 now. Got home pretty late last night and wasn't up to doing any video work or unpacking anything, so we're gonna unpack today. We're gonna go out and take a first look at the Bronco in the daylight. Went through about 700 to 800 miles of snowstorms, and although the cover held up, we still got some snow in the Bronco, and even more than that, we've got a lot of road salt everywhere on the bottom part of it. So here we are. As you can see, all right, we got a lot of road salt and debris and stuff like that. It's a good thing you coated the frame matte. There we go. Yeah, we got some rust on the front pan. That turned out okay. The rust on the welds, that'll clean up. Got a lot of road salt in there. A little more salt than I had imagined. Inside of the jams, I think we're going to be okay.
Do you want one of your balls planted back here?
Oh, look. We forgot about the either that or the hood. The top latches came out and landed in the truck, and they didn't go anywhere. So that's pretty amazing. All right, and the truck is just disgusting. We're gonna head down to the car wash and get this thing washed off. All right, everybody, don't have a heart attack. I am gonna wash this thing off, but only just the running gear, the axles, that kind of thing. A little bit of water will splash up on it, but it's not going to be anywhere near what splashed on it when we were driving through, you know, all those states. So all right, we just got it back and it's looking much better. Still have a little bit to clean up, but most of it came off of the running gear anyway. We're gonna at least get it off now. We have to get the Audi out of the garage and kind of get some things cleaned up here, and then we're gonna put her right there. So here we are trying to unload the trailer and get everything into the garage. And I know I was gone a while, but look who decided that she wanted to come with us. What's up, big girl? You gonna want to come with me next time we go up to Seattle? I might have to return her with the truck. Alright, now, when we take the big stuff out, the small stuff we're going to box and put up somewhere. Where's the big stuff going to go? Like the hood and all of that. Colleen's coming in a month. Can't put it in the extra bedroom. We're going to put the extra bedroom. Make sure I got that.
Oh.
Can you call and tell her not to come? Get this thing up on some auto dollies so we can move it around a little bit. All right, so that was an interesting trip back. Obviously, we're safe in the garage now. We've got all the parts in front of us. So we're ready for this new project. So season 1 is coming to a wrap with this video. We're gonna start season 2 on the next video. Season 1, we built a rotisserie for Bronco number 1, which is right over there. And we're still doing body work on it, on that rotisserie. We found Copart auctions and managed to get ourselves in significantly over our head with that auction process. We brought an Audi S4 Avant to near perfect condition, and we also bought a second Bronco from Matt's Garage and brought it here into our Mile.3 Garage. So that was a very full season. So season number 2 is coming up. First, we're going to be working on Matt's Bronco. We're going to be also continuing to work on Bronco number 1, which we already had. We're going to be working on the Wagoneer and getting it running. It's very close, I believe, to being a workable vehicle, and that's going to be our parts vehicle. There's also a few other things we're going to do to make it livable, like maybe put carpet in it and fix the windows. I think that's probably what we'll do. Plus, my daughter is going to be taking the Jeep JK. So we got to get it in top running order. There's a few things that Jeep JKs are notorious for that we need to repair. She's actually going to help me repair that. And then we're going to do a couple of cool things to the Jeep JK so that when she gets the vehicle, it'll be her vehicle and not be the same vehicle she's been riding in for the last 10 years. So it's going to be an interesting season. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to need a lot of input on all of these vehicles. We're going to have to decide, what's going to happen to this vehicle. How are we going to do it? Is it going to be stock? Is it going to have a more aggressive lift on it? What color is it going to be? Bronco number 1, same kind of thing. I think we have our idea on that, but we're going to need your input as well. So we appreciate you guys coming along for this ride, and that's a wrap from Mile.3. We'll see you in season 2.